Today I am making lemon pound cake. Here I am sieving 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Then I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I whisk everything together. Then I measure 1 cup of buttermilk. I created lemon zest, so I needed 2 tablespoons, but I only got like a tablespoon. And then I'm going to squeeze the juice from 1 lemon because I need 2 tablespoons to make this recipe. Two tablespoons of lemon juice is used for this recipe. And I have a tablespoon of my lemon zest. Add that to the buttermilk and set it aside. Now I'm going to get ready a cup of butter and 2 cups of brown sugar or white sugar, 3 eggs. I whisk in a bowl. I'm gonna add my eggs to my butter and sugar mix. And I'm just going to continue blending those with my hand blender. I'll add the lemon and buttermilk to the sugar batter. And just combine everything in this bowl, adding half a teaspoon of salt or quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a little stir. Now I'm gradually adding my flour to the mixture and fold it gently so that you don't over mix. I'll continue doing that until all the flour is incorporated in the mixture. This is my final product. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees and now I'm going to get my baking trays ready. I'm just lightly buttering them, or if you have an oil spray you can also use that. Okay, now I'm just adding my batter to the 8-inch baking tin. So I'll get 2 loaves of my lemon pound cake, sir. I bake these at 350 degrees for 45 minutes and I'll show you the final product in a minute. Okay, So this is my final product. It's nice, it's moist, it's delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.